Good afternoon. Welcome to day 276 at the EMA office, where I'm joined with Chairman Mark Kern and Mila Blanford from the Health Department. And Mila, we have some better numbers today.
Yes, I believe so. So for Monday, December the 14th, we have a total of 196 new positive tests out of a total of 1,972 received for the day. 84 of those individuals was under the age of 40. The age range was under the age of 10 to in their 90s, and that brings our county positivity rate to 9.9%. The 7-day rolling is at 10.7%, and the regional positivity rate is at 13%. So overall better, and that was of December 11th for my DPH. Unfortunately, we do have 2 new deaths, 2 females, one in their 50s and one in their 70s, both with unknown health conditions. Countywide, we have conducted a total of 183,448 tests. 18,155 of those have been positive, and 165,293 were negative. Total number of deaths to date is 292, and our condolences go out to those families. To date, the number of individuals who have completed their 10-day isolation period is 15,672. Statewide, we've tested a total of 11,869,088 individuals. Total positives of those were 856,118, and that's an increase of 7,214 from yesterday. Total deaths statewide is 14,394, and that's an increase of 103 from yesterday. Countywide, we have a total of 105 individuals that are hospitalized with COVID-like illness. Regionally, we're at 230. We have 10 patients on ventilators in St. Clair County, and regionally, we have 22. Congregate Care announcing new cases: Aperion of Mascoutah, 1 new case; Caseyville Nursing and Rehab, 1 new case; Freeburg Care Center, 3 new cases; Mercy Rehab and Care Center, Swansea, 4 cases; Willow Creek, 3 new cases. I would just like to again touch on the testing that we have in the area. Of course, we have the mall that's open Monday through Sunday from 8 to 4. In addition, on December the 20th, we've partnered with IDPH to offer testing at the New Life Church in O'Fallon. In addition to that, we have Walgreens, which has moved inside, Med Express, CVS. We will, in the near future, be opening a location that partners St. Clair County Health Department and Southern Illinois Healthcare Foundation. So we'll have a testing site that's next to the DMV. We hope to get that open in the coming weeks to offer other services for individuals. And eventually, that will be a vaccine center in the early spring, when we anticipate to offer vaccine to the general population. Okay.
And I talked to the East St. Louis Township Supervisor, Alvin Parks, today. I believe they're going to be doing testing at the Township Building in East St. Louis, and I think it's tomorrow. But if you check on our website, they promised that they would get the information to us, so we'll post that if we get that.
Okay. And then Southern also has the static site on State Street, and I believe that's by appointment only. But all that information can be looked up on the St. Clair County Health Department's webpage, as well as St. Clair County EMA page for dates, locations, times.
Great. Thanks, Mila. Well, let's take a look at the zip codes today. 62059 up 1 to 33. 62201 up 4 to 437. 62203 up 4 to 453. 62204 up 1 to 294, 62205 up 1 to 449, 62206 up 7 to 883, 62207 is up 2 today to 421, 62208 is up 8 to 1,029, 62220 is up 10 to 1,254. 62221 is up 20 to 1,694. 62223 up 10 to 1,088. 62225 stays the same today at 90. 62226 up 20 to 1,955. 62232 up 7 to 600. 62239 up 3 to 267. 62240 stays the same at 92. 62243 up 8 to 411. 62254 up 6 to 559. 62255 stays the same at 47. 62257 up 2 to 196. 62258 up 4 to 671. 62260 up 13 to 450. 62264 stays the same at 209. 62269 up 23 today to 1,909. 62282 stays the same at 44. 62285 up 6 to 354. And 62289 up 1 to 28. As Mila said, 196 new positives, still a high number, but that's with 1,972 tests. We calculate that at a daily county positivity of 9.9%. We then put that in a 7-day rolling average, and our 7-day is now 10%. So that's a better number than we've had in a long, long time. The state pegs us today at 13% in the regional positivity. Bond County clocks in at 1.2% today. Clinton County at 6.1%. Madison County at 9.8%. Monroe County 16.3%. Randolph County 6.9%. St. Clair 8.7%. And Washington County has a whopping 81.5% positivity rate today, which is really high. So we need to keep those numbers in check, but our averages are heading in the right direction because of the mitigations. Herb, we had 2 new deaths today. The deaths continue to rise. They continue to be at a level greater than what we had seen throughout this entire pandemic. So we need to make sure that we're all doing the right things, wearing our mask, watching our social distance, and washing our hands, because we can get through this. As we found out, the first vaccines came out today. Were delivered to Illinois today. We should be seeing those distributed this week in St. Clair County. All these things lead us to know that this is the beginning of the end of COVID-19. But we gotta hang on. We got a few months, several months that's going to take to get through this. And so the fewer people that we can get that are not infected, and certainly out of the hospitals, are going to be people that are going to be around to survive and to have this only be a bitter memory for all of us.
Well, as you said, 2 more deaths, brings the county a total up to 292, which is one is too many, as we've said, for the last 276 days. And our thoughts and prayers always go out, as Milo said, to those families. And, statewide, 14,394 lives lost to this invisible enemy. And it's just this time of the year, it's really bad, and any time is bad. But, the numbers that I tell you every day, that regional positivity, we went down to 13% from 13.1, and that's what we're looking at. But the other important numbers we got to really continue to watch is those hospitalizations. We've got to get them down, and the ventilator patients, as we've said for 276 days now, when a patient ends up in a hospital on a ventilator, it's really not a good outcome most of the time. So we hope and pray for each and every one of them. And so we still got to watch these numbers. And, we're within, 10, 11 days of Christmas coming up on us. So everybody, I know as you're sitting around thinking about, you're wanting to buy gifts for the family and for the friends, I'm telling you, the best gift you can give anybody right now is no COVID. And that's what we should be practicing and thinking about. As we've been saying, that's not a gift we want to give to anybody. I can tell you, there's 292 of our residents here in this county that aren't going to get those presents. And so let's continue to be a part of the solution, keep our foot on the gas to get these numbers down. And we can do that. As the chairman said, we're going in the right direction slowly, but the vaccine arrived in Illinois today. It will be here in the county hopefully later this week, and that process will start. And that light at the end of the tunnel will continue to get brighter for us if we all work together like Team St. Clair has been doing. We'll be back momentarily with Daisy to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll be back tomorrow with day 277. Have a good evening.
We must find a way to live with COVID-19 until a vaccine is ready. One proven thing we know is that masks do work. By wearing a mask, you can do your part to help your community by limiting the spread of the virus and thus helping our businesses remain open and our hospitals able to handle the capacity. To get through this virus, we must work together as a team, and you should do your part by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and watching your social distancing.